All right, so previous owners stated that they used wet and forget, and then they also had this property pressure washed once before. And somebody came up here, and I'm using water right now just to clean off the front side of the roof. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not. Let me see if I can turn down the brightness. There we go. You can see these little streaks. Now that's all along the inside of this second floor balcony, and here it's really apparent. See that? Where it's like running down the walls. They sprayed this stuff, and I don't know what it is. Previous pressure washer sprayed that, and it literally stained the whole entire wall. And this is indicative right here of a straight line. So whatever they used to apply onto this household, they did this through the whole entire outside of the house. Just one straight stream, just like willy-nilly. You know, I don't know why it wasn't, you know, like a fan pattern. Here it is again, very apparent here. And you're getting these streaks and stains. So that's actually stained the paint. Here you can see splatter marks. That is not from us. That is from someone else coming up here and spraying God knows what. It's not supposed to be on this property. I did two spot tests, two 4x3 spot tests on this house. Let's see, this is May the 7th. This is the second day on this property. First day we indicated that to the homeowner. I just want to cover my bases. It is all over all the walls. It's up high, it's down low. I noticed it in the back, in the front, on the second story, all through here. So somebody walked up here, and you can even see that it's apparent on the wood pieces up here underneath the soffit. They didn't spray it up here because you can walk out here and see, but there are other locations where they couldn't reach or whatever, and I don't know what they sprayed, but just covering my bases, this was all damaged prior to us being here. May 7th, second day of doing this house. Just wanted to show you further extent of whatever was sprayed on by either previous owner or a pressure washing company. This is just me covering myself and my business. Just showing you this very strange yellow discoloration all throughout. You can see on the side of the house here, the faint yellow up against the normal house color. And here I'm up on the first floor, and that's the balcony as before that had paint damage from whatever was sprayed on the house. And then you can also see whatever was sprayed on this house actually discolored the wood. See the discoloration on the wood up here? And then you can see the fact that it ran down. I'm going to try to point that out to you so you can indicate that. See that right there? That streak that runs down right in the middle. That is not from us. And then you can see all the damage here, and continuous damage. I don't know what they were doing, but that is not. And you can see the. I haven't even sprayed this yet. You can see all of the spray points where they were probably trying to do it from a ladder but couldn't reach. That's why things are all at this angle or this angle. But just showing the damage. And I'm up here, I'm walking the roof on the ridge line. There are cracked tiles up here from whoever was up here before. But this is how bad it is. This is an area where I've sprayed. Same thing over here. I got most of all the lichen off. You know, this is all doing really good. This is the second story, looking great. Second story's done. Anything that's up here is now gonna fall down, given a couple of rainfalls. So we're doing our best job. Just want to note this yellow staining that's happened. The owner mentioned wet and forget. I don't see any wet and forget on the actual roof. Usually it leaves this weird film up here, and that could be what I'm kind of starting to see here, where it's like running down. See the film that's in here? That could be what that is. When guy's watering all the vegetable gardens. Just wanted to give you a quick look and note that that's damaged from somebody else. So just giving just
why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stewart, Florida.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stewart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.